very much. Hi, everyone. So I'll be presenting today AutoKujira. So I'm doing that on the behalf mostly of Alejandro, a great developer in the Kujira community who lives in Argentina, so he could not be there today, unfortunately, but he has been building some very cool tooling for the chain. And we will focus, I'll present you a bit what he has been doing and the special feature we prepared just for today's hackathon. So what's AutoKujira? In essence, the Kujira ecosystem is very rich. You get a lot of different applications, another book decks, a money market, the capability to mint some stable coin, the capability to bid on liquidations, launch token, like many things. And the issue is when users come in, especially if they are not like DeFi experts, it can be a bit overwhelming. And the vision with AutoKujira is very much to simplify this experience and make it like as easy as possible for users to use the entire ecosystem. So there will be 3 stages to the project. The first stage is what's being worked on at the moment. It will be mostly about analytics, like building dashboards that show you various possible opportunities within the Kujira ecosystem and give you the option to manually execute certain transactions in just a click without having to leave the entire AutoKujira platform. Then second phase will be to have some smart notifications. So it will be likely in the form of a Telegram bot. We already have a little prototype of that. And what will happen is, let's say you have like some USK stablecoin in your wallet. It has been sitting there for a week. You can land it at a 20% APR on Ghost. Well, you will get a little notification telling you, hey, would be nice, your USK is doing nothing in your wallet. You can deposit them there and under 20% APR. And do you want to do it? And you can just send maybe a little yes and sign a transaction ideally from your phone. And it gets there. Or you can get an alert telling you that, oh, there is this ETH that is very likely to get liquidated if price keep going down. Do you want to bid with USDC you have in your wallet? So that will be stage 2. And then stage 3 will be a full automation. So the vision here will be to eventually build some sort of vault, likely, where you can just deposit assets and it executes all sorts of strategies with you having pretty much nothing to do, but you will get all the analytics and the notification, allowing you to know exactly what your P&L is, how things have been performing, and you may even be able to create some custom strategies that are just for you, and then you can sit and relax. And maybe just a quick note on, of course, there will be a small fee on several of those usage. And that value will be accruing to a token eventually. So there will be a token launch that has been announced. So of course, no financial advice, but if you are interested, it will be on pilot, the Kujira Launchpad in the next few weeks. So that can be also a cool stuff to participate in if you have never used the platform. It's a Dutch auction process, which allows you to discover price in a very efficient manner. So it's a fun game to play. So for this hackathon, what we have been focusing on is a feature we call the MultiBidder, which we actually will probably rename token converter because at the end that's what it is. So what's the problem here? The problem is that, okay, sometimes thanks to AutoKujira, you can identify opportunities currently available on chain. So let's say you can bid on Orca on these assets. And to bid on these given assets, you will need to bid with a given token, let's say USDC. But maybe you don't have USDC on your token. When the MultiBidder allow you to say, hey, okay, no worries, you don't have USDC, but here are a few options for you to get some. And one option could be, for example, to just swap those USDC with MantaSwap for swap another token you have with MantaSwap for USDC and use that to put your bids. Or it could be, oh, actually, you can deposit, you have a ST Atom, you can deposit them on Ghost, borrow some USDC and then use that to bid. Pretty much any possibility combination of usage of tool on Kujira will be just shown to you as option. And then you just click on it And step by step, you still have to manually execute the transaction, but without leaving the platform, you will be able to do everything in just a few minutes. So I'm gonna show you a quick video to just show how this effectively all go together. Not sure if somebody can help me to get the video on screen. Maybe if I...
You have a different screen there.
Yeah, it's the same.
The video is not changing anymore. Because it was mirrored before, right?
Yeah, it is. Maybe I just stop sharing here. Okay, that will do the trick. Cool. So that's pretty much what the dashboard look like. So you arrive here and you can see a lot of different opportunities. This tab allow you to say, okay, I have this token in my wallet. So let's say I have AXL USDC. I have $10. What can I do with that? It's screen for opportunity. Oh, there is a juicy opportunity. You can bid on Juno that is at risk of liquidation with X AXL USDC, so the version that is deposited on Ghost earning interest. But the issue is we don't have, in that case, the XUSDC. You can see here the bids. You can see there is pretty much no bid till 30% discount, so that will be a very juicy bid, but we don't have XUSDC. So you can click on this feature, this new feature, enter the amount you will want. So we will want 10 XUSK, because, sorry, that's what we need to bid here. Sorry, we have XUSK, we want 10 XUSDC. What can we do to get that? And here you find only one pass. You need to withdraw USK from Ghost, where they are currently earning interest. Then you need to swap those XUSK for AXL USDC. And then you will be able to, you need to deposit those AXL USDC on Ghost so it becomes interest-bearing. And you can use those interest-bearing token to bid on your liquidated Juno. And so it pops up step by step the transactions. And we sign each of them. So in the future, we won't have to do that. You will be able to do it just in one transaction and all the rest will be automated. But for now, there is no smart contract yet. So it's just like prompting a message that you need to sign. And all operation completed. Great. We close the window and we come back to this place. And now we can see we have our 10 AXL USDC ready to place the bid. We put our bid at 30%. One more transaction to sign, hang tight, and boom, it's done. And now you can go back in my bids, and you will see we have a bid with the $10 we just bid on Juno at a 30% discount. And if Juno keeps dropping in price, we'll be able to buy it at a 30% discount to market value. And if you are a bit smart, you will go and sell that on Fin at a limit order, and you can fairly quickly make a little profit with a relatively limited risk, unless, of course, the price crash very fast by more than 30% before you have time to sell the asset again. So that's for AutoKujira, and that's it. Yeah. So if you want to find more, you can just go on. We are on Telegram, we are on Twitter, AutoKujira, and the app is live already. You can use it. So. Please come, chat, and if you have any idea of feature we could develop, any strategy we'll have to see implemented, just come, and Alejandro is very active and can get a lot of things done in a very short amount of time. So thank you very much.